I'm called Wheezer here, and I'm the fastest wheezer alive. And I'm gonna show you how to sound like me, Carl Wheezer. So, first thing, this is how I really sound like. Yeah, like this.
Come on, my love.
So, here. So, first you gotta play some deep in your voice, like.
Oh, what you doing this too?
What?
What you doing this too?
How Weezer here, that, and sometimes you have to have some fun to sound like me. How so? This video is about to end in a few seconds, but it's good. I'm Carl Weezer. I'm Carl Weezer. I'm Carl Weezer. Goodbye.